Dr. Stephen Taylor here with Mary Lou Newbold. Hello, Mary Lou.
Dr. Taylor, always such a pleasure to be here.
Why, thank you. I'm guessing you're a bit happier this week after the Seahawks defeated the San Francisco 49ers a mere 29-13.
Of course I'm happier. But more than the win, mind you, I'll take that. I'm glad the Seahawks played like a team. They obviously worked out a few things in practices last week, and it showed on the field.
I'm with you on that. We saw some new plays. We had a couple of different players being called on. It was just better overall effort by everybody.
Well, when we play San Francisco, it's usually a pretty good game, and they delivered on that.
That's true. Okay, can we get back to the game in a minute? What have you got for me this week in regards to an eye question?
Well, I thought about what you talked about last week. The fact that you have to consider how each patient uses their eyes, not just their prescription.
Mm-hmm. That's right. I said that two people can have the exact same prescription, but one that digs a ditch will have a different visual need than the accountant that uses a computer screen most of the day.
That's right. So I started thinking about the team effort we saw on this with the Seahawks this weekend, and I figured you could talk about how your prescription is only part of the teamwork that goes on in making a great set of glasses, like my Jimmy Choos.
Interesting thought process. And yes, I do have a great team, and we all work together to match the prescription that I come up with during the eye exam to the specifications that the glasses need to be made to.
Well, I happen to have it on good authority that you have a pretty good team of optical professionals. Can you tell us a bit more about what they do?
Sure. On staff, I have licensed opticians and optical professionals that have decades of experience. They take my prescription and match it to how the patient will use their glasses. Computer glasses, hobbies, types of work and lifestyle all have to be taken into account to choose the best lens and lens design to suit the way the prescription will be used by the patient. Once we assess those factors, the fun part of frame selection begins.
So the frame should be chosen after the lenses have been decided upon.
In a perfect world, it works best that way. We want glasses that look great and give great vision. That's one of the reasons why I have the depth of experience in my team. My staff skills complement mine and ensure my prescriptions are made to perfectly match the patient's vision needs and lifestyle.
You know, I actually added up the years of experience on your team. And do you know that we have over 200 years of optical experience?
Wow, I'm pretty old. All joking aside, I'm not surprised a bit. Doug alone has 55 years, and he's actually been in the business about the same amount of time as I've been on the planet.
Well, I'll leave that alone. So a great team works on the field for the Seahawks, and it works for you at the Mayfair Optometric Clinic.
Well, yes, it works for me, but especially works for my patients and clients that come in to see us. Enough about me. How about we get back to football? What's your pick for the favorite play this week?
Well, staying with the teamwork theme of the podcast, I'm going with Doug Baldwin for good sportsmanship. He was almost at the end zone when he got pasted by one of the 49er defensive players. There was a collective gasp from the crowd. Baldwin jumped up and tapped the guy's helmet, congratulating him on a good hit. It was a nice gesture to see. And I was glad to see Doug was okay, too, because it was a heck of a hit.
It was.
And you? I suspect you've got yourself a new favorite player.
Well, shockingly, I'm going to have to go with rookie Thomas Rawls, who replaced an injured Marshawn Lynch this week. Cam Chancellor called him Marshawn Jr. His performance was nothing short of spectacular. And he rushed for over 200 yards, a Seahawk record, and it was cool to see Marshawn meet him on the sidelines to check in.
Great leadership there. And we've got another game this weekend when we go back to Seattle for the third week in a row to see the Seahawks take on the Pittsburgh Steelers.
That's right, and Pittsburgh has been playing well, and so we've got our work cut out for us. I'm hoping another positive podcast next week.
Well, me too. I think on that note, we'll close this one out. I'm Mary Lou.
And I'm Stephen.
Go Hawks!
Go Hawks!
Seahawks!